The Max Pump 3 is a portable, lightweight, and versatile 3-in-1 air pump, vacuum pump, and lantern designed for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. Manufactured by Flextail, it weighs only 4.3 oz and boasts a powerful performance. Its long battery life provides up to 60 minutes of use on a single charge, making it ideal for inflating air mattresses and more. The integrated LED light offers 3 brightness levels for illumination, further enhancing its versatility. The Radiate Portable Campfire offers a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional campfires. This small, lightweight container is filled with recycled soy wax and paper pulp, easily ignited with a match to provide a flame for 3 to 5 hours. Its portability makes it ideal for camping, picnics, or backyard gatherings, while its eco-friendly construction from recycled materials appeals to the environmentally conscious. The MSR Trail Shot Water Filter is a must-have for trail runners seeking a lightweight and efficient hydration solution. This pocket-sized microfilter allows runners to drink directly from natural water sources, eliminating the need to carry heavy water bottles. Its simple, one-handed operation filters 1 liter of water in just 60 seconds, ensuring minimal interruption to your run. The Trail Shot is effective against bacteria and clean drinking water on the go. Finlough is a unique resort located in Enniskillen, Northern Ireland, offering a chance to connect with nature in luxurious comfort. It is known for its distinctive accommodations, including forest domes and bubble domes, where guests can immerse themselves in the surrounding beauty. The resort also features a restaurant and bar providing a complete relaxation and wellness experience. Transparent bubble glamping tents offer a unique and immersive outdoor experience, combining the beauty of nature with the comforts of a cozy shelter. Made from durable, transparent materials like polycarbonate, these tents provide a 360-degree view of the surrounding landscape, allowing you to fully appreciate starry nights and breathtaking sunrises. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway or an adventurous family vacation, a transparent bubble tent promises an unforgettable glamping experience. Go Sun offers a range of innovative solar ovens, including the Sport, Go, and Fusion models, providing a clean, portable, and versatile cooking solution. These ovens harness the power of the sun to cook various foods like meats, vegetables, and desserts, making them ideal for outdoor activities such as camping and hiking. While offering environmental benefits and ease of use, Go Sun ovens do require sunlight to operate and can have a longer cooking time compared to conventional. Although they come with a higher initial cost, they present a compelling option for those seeking a sustainable and convenient way to cook. The Serotonin Outdoor Stove is making waves as the world's smallest detachable secondary burning camping stove. Its ultra-compact design allows it to fit in the palm of your hand when disassembled, making it a perfect companion for backpackers and minimalist campers. This innovative stove boasts a detachable design for easy assembly and packing, and utilizes a secondary combustion process for increased fuel efficiency and reduced smoke. Constructed from durable titanium or stainless steel, the bright blue fully clad accommodation module is currently undergoing a test raise, likely to ensure its lifting mechanism and structural integrity are sound. This crucial step precedes its relocation. The robust cladding of the module hints at a design intended to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring comfortable accommodation regardless of its location. The monolith designed by Exud is a revolutionary tent, offering unparalleled versatility and convenience for outdoor adventurers. Its innovative inflatable structure allows for rapid setup, taking only 15 seconds on the ground or 5 minutes when suspended. This unique design enables users to enjoy the shelter either traditionally on the ground or suspended in the air, thanks to an adjustable strap system combined with rigid carbon bars. The VEU, created by A.L. Green Limited, is a novel living air purifier designed to create fresh green spaces. It utilizes microalgae to effectively filter pollutants from the air and produce oxygen, boasting a carbon dioxide removal rate 40 times higher than typical houseplants. The Oceanus Brass Tankard, crafted by Oceanus Brass, is a drinking vessel made of brass. These tankards are likely designed with a classic or traditional aesthetic, possibly evoking a sense of history or craftsmanship. The Pro Collard K series is presented by Pro Collard as an entry-level option for those interested in getting started with direct-to-film printing. DTF printing is a process that involves printing designs onto a special film, which is then heat transferred onto various fabrics and materials. The Sictron Infini X1 is touted as the world's first fully functional e-bike by Sictron. This implies that it's not just a prototype or concept, but a production-ready electric bicycle. Fully functional likely means it incorporates all the features expected of a modern e-bike, such as a motor for assisted pedaling or full electric propulsion. A battery system controls for speed and assistance levels, and standard bicycle components like wheels, brakes, and a frame. TapTech Pro Tool revolutionizes your projects by combining stud detection, precision alignment, and laser measurement into one sleek, user-friendly device. The integrated 360-degree laser alignment system projects crisp lines for flawless leveling, while the magnetic edge grip and auto-calibration guarantee accuracy on any surface. Blade Booster by Marcel Frerix revolutionizes blade maintenance with its precision-engineered design, delivering razor-sharp edges and extended tool longevity in one compact device. The ergonomic non-slip grip and intuitive interface make sharpening effortless, while diamond-coated tungsten carbide edges provide unmatched durability for consistent result. Spoke by Thomas Fox redefines touch sensing with an intuitive plug-and-play platform that transforms complex technology into effortless interaction. SterilPure is advertising a portable, multifunctional, ultrasonic dishwasher. The portable aspect emphasizes its compact size and ease of transport, making it suitable for use in various locations, perhaps including small apartments or while traveling. The MemDock G2 by MemDock is presented as a highly customizable 7-in-1 hub designed for easy access. The G2 likely signifies a second generation of the product, implying improvements and advancements over its predecessor. Make 100 Cypherling is a project by Tim Burrell Award that involves creating a numbers station robot. Number stations are shortwave radio broadcasts of seemingly random sequences of numbers, often believed to be used for clandestine communication. Halliday is introducing what they claim to be the first proactive AI glasses with an invisible display. This innovative eyewear aims to seamlessly integrate artificial intelligence into daily life. Longer is marketing the Longer Nano Duo as the best AI laser engraver. This claim suggests that the device incorporates artificial intelligence to enhance the engraving process. This AI integration could manifest in several ways, such as automated image processing, intelligent material recognition, optimized engraving parameters, or even predictive error detection. Lumos AI glasses, powered by GPT-4, represent a step forward in smart eyewear, offering a blend of AI assistance and convenient features. These glasses allow users to interact with a GPT-4. The X-Laser Lab X1 Pro by X-Photonics is a versatile laser welding machine, suitable for both personal and industrial use. It can weld a variety of materials, including metals and ceramics. Features like an automatic focus system and a built-in safety interlock make it easy and safe to operate. The X1 Pro is compact and portable, weighing only 20 pounds and is also affordably priced. It offers increased productivity and enhanced safety compared to traditional welding methods. The Chore AT Max is a professional book scanner designed by Chore, touted as an unprecedented advancement in the field. It aims to streamline the process of digitizing books, documents, and other materials. The ET Max boasts features like a high calculator camera, automatic page-turning detection, and the ability to flatten curved pages, all contributing to a faster and more efficient scanning experience. The Genmitsu Cubico, created by the Sane Smart team, is designed to be an accessible and affordable desktop CNC machine for everyone. It aims to bridge the gap between hobbyists, makers, and professionals by offering a user-friendly experience without sacrificing functionality. Design Nuance is a digital platform dedicated to showcasing sustainable design and lifestyle. It curates a global collection of projects by designers, architects, innovators, and students who prioritize environmentally responsible solutions. Focusing on the impact of design choices on the environment, Design Nuance highlights innovative and thoughtful approaches to sustainability. This innovative branch weight system promotes flower bud differentiation and helps create ideal tree shapes in an eco-friendly way. Unlike traditional cement or nut weights, this one-tick system encourages reproductive growth over vegetative growth, leading to more flower buds and ultimately fruit production. By strategically placing these weights, growers can control where fruit develops and even reducing biennial bearing. The Greeks have a rich history of innovation, and this spirit continues with the creation of the world's first amphibious tractor. This remarkable machine, a testament to Greek ingenuity, successfully navigated the waters between Europus and Eretria, a feat that showcases its unique capabilities. A camp-safe perimeter trip alarm is a device designed to enhance safety and security in outdoor environments, particularly during camping trips. It works by creating a perimeter around a campsite or designated area, and if the tripwire is disturbed, it triggers an alarm. These alarms typically use a tripwire that is strung around the perimeter. When someone or something crosses the tripwire, it pulls a pin or releases a mechanism, which then sets off a loud noise or other alert. This can be useful for deterring animals from entering the campsite or for alerting campers to potential intruders. Camp-safe perimeter trip alarm can be a valuable tool for enhancing safety and security while camping, providing an early warning of potential dangers or intruders. Docky's multi-legged ride is a unique and innovative ride-on toy designed for children. It features multiple legs that move in a coordinated manner, propelling the rider forward. This design not only provides a fun and engaging riding experience, but also helps children develop their motor skills and coordination. Air Scooter by Zapata is a fascinating leap forward in personal aviation, embodying the dream of accessible flight for a broader audience. This innovative hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is designed for a single passenger, offering a truly unique and personal flying experience. Its distinctive egg-shaped cockpit, complete with expansive panoramic windows, provides the pilot with an unparalleled view of the surrounding landscape. Zapata has prioritized user-friendliness in the Air Scooter's design. The Jetson 1 represents a significant stride towards democratizing personal flight, offering a vision of the future where anyone can take to the skies. This single-seated electric aerial vehicle, often referred to as a flying car, is more accurately classified as an ultralight aircraft in the United States. Portal Unity Network is an ambitious and inspiring project that aims to connect people across the globe through a network of interactive, real-time video portals. Scribit, the company known for its innovative drawing robot that turns walls into canvases, has taken a significant step towards sustainability with the introduction of the Scribit pen. The Vabs Rider Bike Seat, designed by Ataraxy in collaboration with Whistle Design Group, is a revolutionary approach to cycling comfort. It addresses the common issue of saddle pain by introducing a dynamic, split-seat design that moves with the rider's natural pedaling motion. Instead of the traditional static saddle that puts pressure on the sit bones, the Vabs Rider supports each leg individually, distributing the rider's weight more evenly across the gluteal muscles.